Growing up in Canada, I never really got to fully experience Mid-Autumn Festival. My only taste of it was at home with family dinners, and it was often referred to as Chinese Thanksgiving.
Here in Vietnam, I've discovered a new way to celebrate this festival. Come join me.
It's known as Children's Festival, a time for colorful parades, tasty mooncakes, and lively celebration. It's also a great time for making new friends, and I'm no different. I've made a few new friends of my own here.
So, what's your name? Do you know your name? How do you say?
Tên gì?
I name Thảo. Thảo.
Tao? What's your name?
My name is Kang.
Ken?
Kang.
Kang, nice to meet you. Yeah, Lawrence. My name is Lawrence. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Em muốn làm gì khi em lớn lên?
YouTuber á, YouTuber.
You know, when I was in Saigon, I asked 5 kids that, and all of them, all boys, and they all said they want to be a YouTuber.
Oh really?
And this is the 6th one.
Mấy đứa thích ăn gì?
Phở bò.
Phở bò.
Pizza. Bún bò Huế.
Oh, good, very good. What's their favorite food in Mid-Autumn Festival?
Bánh trung thu. Bánh trung thu.
A mooncake, ah.
Talking about Mid-Autumn Festival without mentioning the iconic mooncakes would be a huge oversight because they're a symbol of unity and holds a lot of meaning during this festive season. When mooncake season rolls around, they are sold just about everywhere. They are the perfect gift for this festival. Some families even gather to make them together this time of year. It's a challenging process, each step requiring careful attention and teamwork, and that's exactly what brings the families closer. How do I know this? I've been invited to the home of my producer's family to experience making them myself.
There we go, let's go. Masterclass. Oh, so a little bit of flour. And then,
The ladies have already made the fillings. I'm just wrapping the outer layer of the cake.
ooh, it's kind of hard. I'm not a baker. I prefer to cook. Ooh. Okay.
Chợ đây, thí dụ như vậy, đặt chứ.
Okay.
Vậy đó. Vậy cái này cái mình quay mặt này ra vậy.
Ask her, would she hire me?
Muốn, rất là muốn.
Next, we will put the mooncakes into the mold and press it to give it its final shape.
Oh, okay. I messed up. One twist, 180. Push. Oh. Whoa. Oh, these are heavier than it looks.
Now we pop it into the oven to bake for the first of 3 times.
Like you can see inside the back inside.
Oh, okay.
A few moments later.
Yeah, the present. Now you have to.
Now, we pull the mooncakes out to let it cool down a bit before its second bake. But before popping it back in, we give it a nice egg wash for a glossy finish.
Yeah, the begin to the end, yes. Yeah.
Is this one? Is that too much? Oh wow, it smells really good.
And close the oven. And done. Ta-da!
Oh, thank you. Master Chef,
Master Chef.
the great Vietnamese baker. Just kidding. Welcome to my OnlyFans. Today, we're doing mooncakes. Alright, pretty friends, so here we are. We got all our mooncakes stacked behind me with different sizes and shapes and flavors, but today we're gonna be trying a nice savory one. So, starting out with this bad boy right here. Look how beautiful that is. It's still nice and warm too. Ooh. And it smells like Mid-Autumn Festival. All right, let's cut into this bad boy and let's have a taste. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. So let's go dive right in. All right. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. Let's go in. That's really good. To be honest, I'm never usually a fan of mooncake before, but Very different from the ones I grew up with.
The mixed nut mooncake typically includes 4 types of candy fruits: wintermelon, lemon, ginger, and lotus seeds, along with 4 kinds of nuts: pumpkin seeds, cashews, sesame, and almonds. But what really gives the mooncake a unique flavor is...
And on top of that, they do have the Chinese sausage, the lapchang. However, they make it specially just in this town, so they call it lapchang chaodok. So it's the type of Chinese sausage that's specifically in this town. So they got its own special recipe and stuff. So delicious. And of course, the best part, cake. All right. Have a piece.
As the round shape of the moon represents the moon, the lantern symbolizes its light. In many cultures, Mid-Autumn Festival is also known as the Lantern Festival. Through this, I've learned something quite interesting about how different cultures celebrate Mid-Autumn Festival, especially the one that resonates with me the most, Chinese culture.
我想問一問你，原來啲中國人咧同越南人咧點慶祝中秋節咧有咩分別㗎？
都係同一日，只不過係慶祝嘅方式可能唔同咯。
哦，咁啊。
華人會買啲魚啊，或者啲船啊，拜中秋啊。越南人就會拜啲就會買啲星星啊，或者啲舞獅啊嚟慶祝中秋。
哦，係咩？
不過係過嘅方式唔同啦，但係都係一日嘅。
係啦係啦。
拜月餅啊、水果等等。
係啊，我聽好明。
With the sun down and the moonlight bright, it's time to pha go, a Vietnamese term specifically used during Mid-Autumn Festival, which means to break bread and enjoy a feast while we gaze up and admire the moon. For tonight's feast, we start with this whole chicken that was stuffed inside a bamboo and cooked over charcoal. Wow, now that's a thing of beauty.
Ngon, còn hổ ngon lắm.
It's really good. Well, it's really good with the mung bean.
Mung bean? Yeah.
In the middle. Yeah.
That's sticky rice.
Next, we got some local favorites here, like this fermented 3-stripe crab salad.
Oh my god.
That's really good.
And this miracle fish, battered and fried crisp.
But here, I'm gonna take a bite of the miracle fish. That's good.
We're in Vietnam. Can't forget the escargot. You know, these giant rice field snails.
This is my eyeball. It's really good. I usually love the smaller ones, but I don't often eat the big one, but it's really good.
And you know we gotta have hot pot. For tonight, we got this eel hot pot in a fermented rice soup and a rich, decadent crab hot pot.
Hot. That kind of hot. That's really good. Ngon. I want to say, tell your parents and everybody, thank you for welcoming me to your home, and thank you for welcoming me into your town, and I just hope everybody enjoys the meal. There you go. Thank you. How much? Yo!
Now that our bellies are full and our beers topped up, it's time for some good old karaoke.
Let's get the energy.
Đèn ông sao với đèn ca.
After this journey, I feel a deeper connection to my root, especially after I've explored and learned about Mid-Autumn Festival here in my new home, Vietnam. It has opened my eyes to the beautiful similarities across cultures. No matter where we are in the world, we all share the same values of family and unity, and that's something truly special.